How to extrude text in Autodesk Inventor. Many engineers and designers all over the world use many different types of CAD programs on a day-to-day basis. In this field, it is vital to get to know the basics of these programs, as well as to have a way to perform commands that do not have a direct command. The following guide will help you extrude text using Autodesk Inventor. This is very helpful as there is not a direct command for this operation. Steps. 1. Open the Autodesk Inventor program. This may be done by either clicking on the icon on the computer desktop or locating it through the Start menu. 2. Open an existing part file. In order to extrude text on a given surface, you must first have part model to extrude text onto. In the upper left corner of the program screen, click on the Open icon to locate and open an existing part file you have created. 3. Select part file. Upon clicking the Open icon, a dialog box will pop up on the screen. Locate the part file you would like to extrude text onto and click the Open button in the bottom left corner of the dialog box. 4. Create a sketch. Once your part file is open, you should see that you are currently viewing commands on the toolbar for the 3D Model tab. In order to create the text, you must first create a sketch of the text on the part you have drawn. Click on the Create 2D sketch icon located on toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. 5. Select part face for sketch. To begin the sketch or your text, you must first selection the face or surface of the part that you would like to perform the command on. It is best to pick a flat surface for beginning designers or a plane that you may have created. To select the face of the part, hover over the surface with your mouse and it will become highlighted. Simply left-click on the highlighted surface of your choice and the face will be selected. 6. Insert text. Upon selecting the face you will extrude text onto, your part view will automatically move itself into a 2D view looking onto the part face. You must now add text onto this surface in a 2D format first. Under the Sketch tab, click on the text icon box that has the capital A next to it to begin the text command. 7. Determine size of text box. Once the text command has been started, you must now select where on the part face your text will go and how big of an area you would like your text to cover. On the part face, left-click and drag a box to the size of text area you would like to cover. 8. Format the text. Once the text box size and location has been determined, next you must format the text that will be implemented into the sketch. Many customizations can be made as far as fonts and sizes. Before typing in your text, choose the font of your choice and the size you would like to extrude. In the lower part of the Format Text box, type in the text of your choice that you would like to extrude and click OK in the bottom right of the Format Text box. 9. Finish the sketch. Once you have your text shown and positioned how you would like it to be extruded, click on the Finish Sketch icon to complete your 2D sketch and return back to the 3D view of your part model. 10. Begin extrusion. There are many commands in Autodesk Inventor that will perform an extrusion. The most user-friendly way to use with text is the emboss command, which is a form of an extrusion. To begin this command, click on the emboss icon in the toolbar, above the Create drop box. 11. Select Sketch to extrude. Once the emboss command is selected, you will be prompted with the emboss command box. You must now select the 2D sketch you created containing the text of your choice. Hover over the text with your cursor and once it is highlighted, left-click to select. 12. Select Emboss options. When your text is selected correctly, your sketch will turn blue to indicate it is chosen. Next, you must specify whether you would like to extrude the text vertically above your part surface or extrude vertically into your part surface. Extruding above your part surface can be selected by choosing the blue highlighted icon in the upper right-hand side of the command box. Extruding into your part surface can be chosen by the middle icon indicating removing of material. Once you have determined your option, click on OK to extrude the 2D sketch. 13. Admire your results. You have now successfully extruded text using Autodesk Inventor. 14. Finished. Tips. Move slowly when selecting surfaces to sketch on. Use the undo button to return to a previous step if you've made a mistake. Save the modifications you have made frequently to avoid losing work in the event of a computer or program crash.